exploring the marvel of Glossostigma elatinoides. As an avid aquarist and enthusiast of aquatic plants, I have encountered and experimented with various species over the years. Among these, Glossostigma elatinoides stands out as a gem in the realm of aquatic flora. Its delicate appearance and vibrant green hue make it a coveted addition to any aquarium. In this article, I aim to delve into the intricacies of this fascinating plant, answering common questions and providing insights into its care and cultivation. Glossostigma elatinoides, often referred to simply as Glossostigma or Glosso, is a species of aquatic plant belonging to the family Lindorniaceae. Originating from New Zealand, Australia, and Tasmania, it is commonly found in shallow, marshy areas and along the edges of streams and rivers. With its low-growing and carpet-like growth habit, Glossostigma elatinoides has become a popular choice for aquascaping enthusiasts seeking to create lush and verdant landscapes within their aquariums. Glossostigma elatinoides versus Monte Carlo. In my aquarium, Glossostigma elatinoides thrived with its delicate, carpet-like appearance, but Monte Carlo quickly stole the show with its robust growth and vibrant green color, making it my go-to for a lush, low-maintenance carpet. Glossostigma elatinoides versus Hemianthus calitricoides. While Glossostigma elatinoides gave me a lovely, fine-textured lawn, Hemianthus calitricoides, or HC, became my favorite with its more compact growth and slightly faster spreading, providing a richer, denser carpet that I found more satisfying in my tank. How to plant Glossostigma elatinoides. Planting Glossostigma elatinoides requires careful consideration of its specific needs to ensure successful establishment and growth. Start by preparing a substrate rich in nutrients, such as nutrient-rich soil or specialized aquatic substrate. Ensure that the substrate is well aerated and free of any debris or contaminants. Next, carefully divide the Glossostigma elatinoides into small portions, taking care not to damage the delicate roots. Plant these portions into the substrate, spacing them evenly to encourage uniform growth. Maintain optimal water parameters, including adequate lighting and CO2 levels, to promote healthy growth and prevent algae infestations. Does Glossostigma elatinoides platinum stay white? Glossostigma elatinoides platinum, a cultivar of the species characterized by its striking white foliage, is often sought after for its unique aesthetic appeal. However, maintaining the pristine white coloration of Glossostigma elatinoides platinum can be challenging, as it is susceptible to browning or yellowing under suboptimal conditions. To preserve its white hue, provide ample lighting, nutrient supplementation, and CO2 injection to ensure vigorous growth. Regular pruning and maintenance are also essential to remove any dead or decaying foliage and prevent the spread of algae. How to grow Glossostigma elatinoides seed. While Glossostigma elatinoides is primarily propagated through division or cuttings, it is possible to grow it from seed under the right conditions. Start by obtaining high-quality Glossostigma elatinoides seeds from a reputable supplier, ensuring that they are fresh and viable. Prepare a suitable substrate and sprinkle the seeds evenly across the surface, taking care not to bury them too deeply. Maintain high humidity and optimal temperature levels to encourage germination and provide adequate lighting to support seedling growth. As the seedlings develop, carefully thin them out to prevent overcrowding and promote healthy expansion. Will Glossostigma elatinoides attach to rock? While Glossostigma elatinoides is known for its ability to form dense carpets across the substrate, it can also attach itself to various surfaces, including rocks and driftwood. To encourage Glossostigma elatinoides to attach to rocks, provide a textured surface that allows the plant to anchor itself securely. Gently press the plant against the rock surface and use fine fishing line or mesh to hold it in place temporarily until it establishes its root system. With patience and proper care, Glossostigma elatinoides will gradually adhere to the rock and create a naturalistic and visually appealing display within the aquarium. In conclusion, Glossostigma elatinoides is a captivating aquatic plant that adds beauty and vitality to any aquarium setting. By understanding its unique characteristics and requirements, aquarists can cultivate thriving carpets of Glossostigma elatinoides and enjoy the tranquil ambience it brings to their underwater landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned aquascaper or a novice enthusiast, incorporating Glossostigma Elatinoides into your aquarium design is sure to elevate your aquatic experience to new heights.